Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 1095C, also known as the Employer Provided Health Insurance Offer and Coverage Form. So this form is used by employers to report the health insurance that they offer to employees. And it's also helpful because it shows whether you were offered coverage and if it meets certain requirements for tax purposes. As you can see on the screen here, this form is divided into three main parts. We'll go through each one step by step so it's easy to follow. Starting with part 1. So this section is all about basic information. You'll enter the employee's full name, social security number, and home address. On the right side, you'll see the employer's details like the company name, address, and EIN. So just make sure everything matches official records to avoid any issues. Next is part 2, which focuses on the offer of coverage. So this is where you'll see codes and monthly details. In line 14, you'll enter the code that describes the type of health coverage offered. Then in line 15, you'll list the employee's share of the lowest cost monthly premium. After that, line 16 is used for safe harbor or other relief codes if applicable. So this part is usually filled out by employers, so you just need to review it carefully. You'll also notice a row showing all 12 months, so this helps track coverage for each month of the year. So check the information that is consistent across the timeline. So that's basically it. The key here is to review each section carefully and make sure all the details are correct before keeping it for your records. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.